relationship, do you believe that education matters more or an open-minded person will help you grow better?
All right, so first of all, the person me calling say I should come at you there upon your couple of us. I yadum, so I dominate me. I say, share you. In fact, my film motor do and can any your Nana see. Me buy a society and what friend the gyro no mitimu say a see Allah obi a
Nana see.
And your school, baby, I walk and I near Sebita Fracha, what dream baby, I wouldn't
Prayerful, small, hardworking, small. Chatting small, then we understandable each other.
Yes, man.
It's the Ukosian school, no, and far when you will be a young fan.
Me test will be open minded.
So, who did not this way choose? Are they also say better me the one to a quick chira? Pennipa na dream a brought.
Say, oh, your bema, wabawa. When your bank or bar wako school.
So when you open minded, I want your phone. And yes, when you open minded, I want your face.
If I am man, dear. I choose or buy or blood-minded. If you have mind, you can talk, you can analyze situation for us. Come.
Hello, everyone, and Happy New Year in February. Backyard Kitchen. And Komono. Now, what's going on? What's going on is this is the new setup for Backyard Kitchen. You know, previously I was not well. Now I'm fully charged. I'm fully well. And I'm going to be giving you recipes from my own backyard kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting much time, I just want to show you that these are my ingredients, but I have visitors. My panel members before are still ready for me, and they are my visitors for the moment. My visitors are in, and I want to show them today. I'm treating them to a recipe I saw on social media, which is not bad. Because when people watch McBrown's kitchen, they tell me, Nana, me noa wa duane ni bi, me hu kati en kwan no, me ye way. Yes, and that's what it go. I mean, but funny fanta. Guys, if you're ready, come and let's cook. Yeah.
Backyard kitchen, banana, backyard kitchen, banana,
Backyard kitchen,
banana,
backyard kitchen,
banana,
backyard kitchen. Oh, good for you, right?
Get to kill it. Hana come on and walk back.
Nice one. Guys, that's Gera, that's Da Costa, and Asariba, McBrown brother, McBrown sister, yeah, everybody, welcome back.
Thank you.
Go ahead. This time, we can't be just comfortable. Yeah. Now, I have a recipe for you guys. Yeah. What do you think?
All right, so first of all, the person me calling say I should come at you there upon your couple of us. I yadum, so I dominate me. I say, share you. In fact, my film motor do and can any your Nana see. Me buy a society and what friend the gyro no mitimu say a see. Allah, obi a
Nana see. Our friend the gyro
see.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Guess what I have for you on this season?
Yes.
Pamucho, what best come bro? Food to me come bro.
Yes.
What best come with English?
Yeah.
Uchi, Wogan, will be beer. You're welcome.
Of an marry English.
Chinglish, it's allowed.
Yes.
I'm not coming out there. Ghana for some kind of something country.
I hear them.
Now, welcome back. And then your recipe be and some name we whilst we discuss the topic for the day. Yeah. How about that?
Oh yes,
yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, before they touch anything, they have to go and wash their hands.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, let's go and wash our hands. All right, fine. So we pledge.
We pledge to wash our hands at Backyard Kitchen.
And all the time. Masunya?
Yes, please.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as we have washed our hands, everybody can help me anyhow. Lady, for a next one, bra, tray, bra. And then make breakfast different one, mom. Na tray, no. Or the bape, me baby, and your man, you know, so.
Yes.
Give me.
First thing you have said. So before we start the cooking, this is the topic. And that's my bro for everything.
Yeah, it's a breakfast. Yeah, bro. We're bro for breakfast.
It's okay, so go ahead.
We're bro for breakfast. Into
brafo no ba, yeah.
Yeah, it's but so different.
Okay. Somebody can say that if you want
Yes,
to. This is the topic before I start. In relationship, do you believe that education matters more or an open-minded person will help you grow better? I mean, that's the topic.
Yeah.
What do you want to say? Once I set your breakfast ready.
Down ball.
And everybody will have a position. And why the Becca first?
Nana sene wa ye nkosua yi ne sene wodi bibia abobbo anu ya aboso te se boboli bobo no. Nana me dey me believe say
before that I mean share or have my recipe no beko.
Me patch share me.
We will say a pan on the bread. That is bread and egg with cheese. We have a little pepper from Kiwo.
Enemoko.
A man of spices kakrebi was so. I have a mixed season in this one. Upe jena jene waha. Maybe I'll add some to it. We shred some cheese to it. Or you use already made like this one. Okay. Maybe no. Me wo tuna waha, me wo egg. One in never call bread so. Na me dia share amcom. Yeah, 5 men animal. You can also use your air fryer in the house. Okay. But since we have plenty, I'm going to lay everybody's on here. Okay. Now I say we are the asheho. But what I say, into once yeah discussion on. Now me put it together the recipe. What I say. Okay. Now who starts the topic? When started?
It is sister. Ne me nim say.
Lady Shreddy, wait a come cheese.
Abrabona ye bono. It's not about wako school and I say unko school.
I sorry, but
it's not about
maybe a so. Ube won say resi ateno. What's in say? Nice one, na dia mama. Yeah. Ogus na pasa o na okasa.
Acho we dia na okay.
It is sister, to say me kano. Fititinya yenyi fi enkwala brem nya. Me hu se me papa no no. Enye sebita frache o mu school bebrebe o makọ anom nim dia o munum na eye odo ene se ne o mapeso o maprane o mabrabo se ne o mpeso o mabrabo no ende fa so it is sister me feel say enye school ana yede ware enye school ana e bia unyansa ana yede ware aware na eye odo se mo odo de mamo ho a anajo masori a o ma che no mutumi plane ne mo pese mo ye ene ne mo pese mo plane in the future.
Obi we now no go see adwana.
It's as sister, or baby or obekwa ko fan infitiase or odo de ma. Infitiase no odo ebekwa ko wie e kire na akwai da ne otan ko a. Eti me de me feel say sister say ebetum pon na se bibia bekoso se ne mote enye school ana enye wonim dia na wonyansa bebre etore bia me feel say etore bia empai bonso eboa ene kasa kire mo sorry ahomache a woni wodofo mo bebo mo nkomo no ma plan for the future no I think it's perfect na mo fa mo bone ncheche mo because nobody is perfect whether it's our remu and our relationship mo obi anya perfect sister me dey obusa ma dwen kire a enye school bebre awakọ ana enye sebita frache wa dream bebre a unim ana yede
all right but who is coming next?
School no crowd, who here. They were school no crowd relationship. No, so your book too much. No, because you will be love relationship. No, they are better we who know the Bible hard in this. Say young uncle school now. Yet one year boy, bra. I didn't know the mind yet to me used to gamshin more than they were school or the Bible.
Let's all selection no umpedi. Dear education.
That be yes, I'm in education. The other be I by me man who in terms said the bear. Bana ebesoni dema wa betema ababa ha adwene e wo fie tie no de ubisa ya no de meka no
what is nice saying is true or the good scholar saying is true. It's not about school too much. Small education, small home-minded. What you say?
Small education,
small home-minded.
Okay.
If you are doing kakra, then you support the man.
Okay.
I agree with Auguste. Prayerful, small. Hardworking, small. Chatting, small. Then we understandable each other.
Yes, man. Yes.
Okay. Please, are you understandable?
Yes, please, we understand.
Yes.
We understandable.
I'm finished, my bro.
School here. Nanso eba ayonkofa mu a. So be open-minded. Very important. Because any school a ukoye ene yigina so de obi ene obi timi de tena.
No correct.
So obi timi no obi atena na wo se motem ho ase. Muhunu ba bia mo nyina mo ni kire. Enti de wukosua wo school no emfa wo ne obi ayonkofa no ho.
Okay.
E wo ba bia wo school betimi aboa wo. E wo abrabo mu wo adwuma mu and the like. But say we need broad-minded a year. E bi ko nipa wo hia no free baby foforo, wo free baby foforo. Eso no kasa wo kan, eso no kasa wo kan. Eso no kwan ya fa so tete no, na eso no kwan ya fa so tete wo. Ana baby a mo kokora mo mienu to mo benya akora abomu a sa okọ bonkuma na sa akora ni konifa. Eti wadwen mu do na wonte ase ani bia ene na ye enyina so a mesusu se ebe ma moyonkofa no betinye enyina so. So ye fe be educated illiterate. Obi akọ school onim book mu pa but ba abrabo mu nsem a na adwene wo fom. De nti e wo se wadwen mu ye brother ebo relationship no. Me susu ye no.
Dako, mintwa wa no. Sister na adan na uyi odi yoku no, eka wo nkosua no share num na uma uyi ase eho anwa no nko agu wanse.
Say me kire skills.
Ai.
Ye di nkomo ne say my education say kosua bi okra wo bo asai. It is mabo 5 dada. Na se mpaniampa me bokosua na mabo no gban na mbegu mu a 6 na be ka 5 no a.
Na asai.
Na
ye discipline.
Inti no enka normally no ubo kosua bo na no kaka no wahwem ansa no wahwi. But this one a recipe no idea.
Okay.
Pacha what I say. Kosua no yoke no ye the last thing e beto so.
Okay.
What they may you clear the last thing. So the mayon is as simple as this. We need to have a taste on the bread.
Of course.
So right now, I'm going to give you different types of cheese. This one is shredded one. So I'll spread it on top.
Say cheese.
Say cheese. Shredded one.
Take a boom cha.
Take a picture.
Say cheese.
Into bet me away, you know. First, and I say, me any kwan say be gugu we no so be say very need ubetumi the cheese na go so first let him my spoon we chop and I say ubetumi attaching it up with the way you know
Yes.
nka normally no me be say bom into na mahwe ni nyina agu a come ya or say come dey be good bread no so we or say come dey be good bread no so what I say my big spoon many spoon yi
Yes.
what's funny say ya crabby you make sure say echo edges no so we kosua ni nyina egu so ebi betumi ebebro bread ne so.
Okay.
Am na bu train him. Nti we na me de egu no. Kakrebi.
Just a little bit of
and then you soak it in.
Yeah, soak it
In the bread.
In the bread.
Yes.
Yes.
What I say?
Cheese on it.
With the cheese on it. Which the cheese can be first or the egg white can be first.
Okay.
But what I say?
Yes.
Sometimes the chikosua na ni aye breakfast no roll on 2D no. Aye one way.
One way.
Kosua aye chie. I one way inti we no. Must spread the egg white no. Every you know. Make sure say ebi ko baby ah.
At this juncture, one may want to ask some Kosiano Bona. As a Kosiano boy in I say I know cuckoo I know a pet. Patch your diameter be a 9 centimeter at the book of
Me patch there be your eye should be your measuring
the pi r square.
Okay.
Of course, I remember my body 50 but that's all.
It's in Pamcho.
Skillful. Yes.
I don't know, my sister chair say Kosiano, Obo middle horna. Not as I say, Ushigum penna, what's saying Kosiani?
What's saying?
Obo free a sorwa. That's I say, Ubi.
What kind of was some pana? You see me at that, there was no map, but me chico share for. What tree?
Would it be a for
me boy last one. Me boy, me
say,
it was a one say, yeah, we any son. The cheese in course on.
I've a cheese, no.
I've a cheese, Neddy. Ever cause me, than I do on shed and pitches.
But it is sister, I wouldn't go to first, and I saw the cheese in the good
and say,
not just a la pitalo.
Eh, but then I Shannon so the cheese in the course of first. And the cheese in the bash later. We met testing me
that cheese,
their call first.
When you're there, shredded. Where the iron of flat, me person good in.
Okay.
You know, it was a taste near different.
Okay.
You do you have a phone call never count.
Different.
Yeah, but no cost of this. That cost I can say. Okay, so we are educated illiterate. bese me correct kakra.
Okay.
Se yakasa obi illiterate or obi a ontimi entron kinkan. So but yakasa obi educated or obi a wonya nimdeɛ or kwan bi so. Enti de bia me kasa saa kasa na nyina ka bi saa ba me mu ka mu se nkese uneducated literate. Nipa no akosua se de kan brofo akan se de kan but nyansa ne nimdeɛ
nyansa kakra bi no de
akosua school hu nimdeɛ no de adwuma no fa nyɛ. Enti no no ye uneducated. Enti we uneducated literate. Enti ono no brofo no dinka but nyansa de ne nimdeɛ no.
Okay, where tuna?
Wow.
Where tuna?
Wow.
Enti tuna no so beko so side and side kakra bi. That breakfast we wan be mama ma try bi da. And I mind we say and I'm the best surprise.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yes.
So
next
time mo ba mo number you.
Yeah.
You want to help me? Okay.
Na anyambia ebi obi wo ho a ono no green pepper na tomatoes. Ba obetimi de bibi sa aka ho ana.
Sa wo pe bibi a betumi de aka ho.
Yeah, amane
kura betumi de aguso. And at this moment, you need a season small.
Yeah.
Oh.
Again, if you want to enjoy the season, I say we chinchim.
Yes. Yeah, in terms of on this note, we are going to put it in the oven and then we go for a commercial break. Let's go. Now wait, Our backyard kitchen here. Come on, where mama pana. Your bread and inconvenience no. Our oven nemo. Na many of them get that one kasa. Get that.
Yeah.
Some share some media oba me pen no. I just work school abubo degree me per raba.
Yeah.
Me per the oba office adwuma na me ne no anante. Sa point on and person more free.
Yeah.
And no chance said your office adwuma no onim nyansa.
Okay.
Nemom ye woni pa mu ahodo. Yemfa said de wako school. Your office adwuma and bibia is about book.
Yeah.
And you must sign check here also or both date bibia to a chair no refer.
Yeah.
Or no. And I said you to send me one ko school. Na odifie nyansa na mabrabo mu. Ebia mekan aim ni so obey MP aim ni so obegina baby. Na wa be for ba say we won't go school. Let's bring it down to that level. Any oba no so when you the oko school PhD UK Harvard ni ade ade no ye adwuma. Sign up way afa u taste ne de hen.
Me taste will be open-minded because to be open-minded, you have to be ready. Say you will learn. So now obia education no finch no there. One yesterday court na wo be kwa kika mon sem more. Because bibi e was say motimo ho ase no obefin say onim ne right and I say wako school too much.
Gada kasa ye. Ebi a won so won che dan ko school se mi gina. Inti no won so won pe oba ba me gada kasa. Me bu so the question na na be ya.
Gada kasa.
Because gada you. They may respect for the way.
So we say open-minded. Wow. You are ready to learn and unlearn.
I can't open-minded. I don't just say my sister say. I don't just say the wako school onim nyansa.
Matthias here, but sa enkrofo na omo bi dia finchen. They say na wo ka say check no and was say the signature. Obi sa no omo nkasa bebre. Ono no feel say or right or no onim the right until omo ma lawyers kasa mo. It's open-minded. No, I'll go for someone who is open-minded because
without education.
No, education there you can always educate you can always go back to school. So
get that.
Yeah.
It's a girlfriend pa your MP for kwadaso. Wa bin original MP.
Yeah.
Get that. Obi kasa won pe no.
Oh, men kasa men pe ba obi an any preference.
And I hope there obi kwa koto holy. Okay, Rafa, come and tell them. Now, before you do that, Beba say hey aduane no na ye ba na fe ye dey conclusion ye ba say ya ti asam na see ye ya na ye ba back be kan ye a me pese ye limit ya ho to a specific two either say me for ba ye raba wako school the niema bia ye raba paper ne ne pen ne ne office ne ne hill or say sa in conclusion na me na bobra ana me for ba wono no won ko school but ala no keka bomu a Eye mami. What I say? Omumi enu nyina wo nyansa. But then the lifestyle is different. That's where I want you to choose from. Also, I need to know Ghana for. We want to show our recipe. Nana be. The outcome of the income. Wow. Let's go. Bring it. Backyard kitchen. Come on, wow. So, on that note, Namichamu said this is a way you can also have your breakfast. But then we have to taste first. In about to taste, you can also garnish it with kiwo baked beans. Once I crispy. And she said yes, I crispy no. Say kiwo what you say. I am raw numbi. Tipacha obin to sumame. So we are going to be eating from here then. You need free hey.
Yes, I don't did.
So powerful plates. Nana Safabra.
Okay.
Probably seen free here.
Yes.
I was up
Kivu beans here kono.
Kono pa.
Authentic.
Da. I would say when I ran the first and also like that. Ooh, it's hot.
Nana, you 12 maybe out to feel and 12 to the outside one too.
Share. Me to the corner. This is my final food, and I'm going to garnish it with the baked beans, a little on the side. Nice. Yes. Share with your breakfast now. You're ready now. We are it's no yearly of fear and no man enjoy pa. But then in conclusion, as I'm a bontao.
Mamo you so bonta bonta.
Media, I don't like cheese. So eat for me.
I'll eat for you, Odo. Kibo. This is big beans. There's a new Kibo there for guests. And can you cut off that?
That's what the Kibo should also have.
Hey, you understand? Oh, we will do that. Wait, international soup fun crunchy. Okay. Crunchy, crispy. Oh.
But I want to cast off a shit on.
Sister McKenby.
Who be shit on you? I saw what for two? Next time I have a no. What shit on? I have it in. This is a very beautiful breakfast. You can have for your kids and yourself. In here. Okay, before everyone come closer, shall I be a new money? Everybody come closer. Now, you did it, but we have to give a submission. August.
Manuaba.
Manuaba, inside was a swabber. Hello.
Yeah, the
The gore.
Yes. You got to do that glory.
That's why what did they react as?
Me mum di obaya one ko school am ne fa aduna e be yini onna me pe
na ya you also so in fa yini
omo hard ne de bia omo
na
bi omo du buku measurement oni ne be da mpa ba ko so kra na wa kwa fa dai
wo musro
da ye Amotaye na ọmụ abahyehyɛ. Wadi baba on so do court. Ọmụ na nim hɔ kɔ.
deɛ mɛka ne sɛ ewi ase wokɔ school bi awie ansa na wagye wo certificate apart from awareɛ ɛno nko ara ne akwantu a ɔmo de wo set hyɛ wo nsɛm ansa na wofiri ase because of ɛno nti wohia bi a n'adwene mu dɔ
saa
sɛ wogyina biribi so atwurusu ade a wosusu sɛ ɛbɛtumi de w'anam ntu akɔ akyiri a pɛ nipa a n'adwene mu ɛyɛ broad a sɛ biribi koraa na ohu baabi a ofiri ba no ne nsusu a wonim no sɛ wode yɛ different na ɔmpɔ so na ɔmusa saa de nti na woyɛ ne sei obi a n'adwene mu dɔ na ɛyɛ saa deɛ no ba w'adwene mu nyɛ broad a wofii sɛ deɛ wonim no koraa na ɛyɛ correct so nti ɛka sɛ obi a ɔyɛ open minded a obi a ɔyɛ ready sɛ ɔtumi twe ne kɔntra de osusu sɛ wonim na ɔma kwan ma obi foforɔ nkyerɛ mu ɛba ansa na wahu sɛ yɛbɛkɔ anaa yɛnkɔ ɛno ne obi a ɔyɛ broad minded eti mi nsusu yɛ mu no sɛ wobɛtu anamɔ wɔ ayɔnkofa mu ama na kɔ yie ama wɔ a sɛ nipa no esukuu kɔ nkan sɛ nkɔ kan hwɛ sɛ nipa no ɔyɛ broad minded person na ɛno bɛboa ma relationship no atumi akɔnka ɛne nsusu
na nneɛma bɛn na papa yɛ a ɛbɛmu ɔhu sɛ ɔbaa wei mene ne san bosom nsia ni no n'adwene mu dɔ aside sɛ ɔnkɔ school aside sɛ wakɔ school
ya sɛ wosusu biribi kyerɛ no na sɛ ɛnyɛ ne area a onim anaa onim mu nimdeɛ a otumi busa sɛ pato kyekyere mu kakra ɔbaa woka asɛm a ɔnte ase a ɔne wo nyɛ argument right away but ɔbɛka sɛ wobɛtumi akyekyere mu kakra na kyerɛ sɛ ɔpɛ biribi ahu ansa na wɔhoho no baabi wogyina wotate hu saa signal no wɔ nipa mu a wobɛtumi adaive mu but the moment a ɔpɛ sɛ ne views no overshadow deɛ no without listening to you no ɛyɛ block side nti osusu sɛ onim nti na ɛka sɛ wɔasua biribi but deɛ ɔnsua no ɛhɔ no ɛyɛ ne weakness but ɔyɛ willing sɛ onim biribi na ɔbɛhu aka ho ansa na watu anamɔ a saa science no wo start hu a ɛma ɛtumi boa wo ma wohu sɛ nipa wei ɔyɛ obi a ɔyɛ broad minded sabe ɛna last bi ne yɛ discussion bi sɛ obi bɛsusu asɛm ho kyerɛ no koraa a ɔtumi busa wo ma woyi wo ho ano ansa na watake di sɛ because ɔna de wɔntim dada but ɔma kwan ma wiwa na ama na nya bigger picture wonya saa environment na tam biara ma relationship tumi kɔnkan nti na make about broad minded no
oh okay
me nana me feel sɛ woyɛ ɔbɛrima a wabɔn a woyɛ ɔbaa a wakɔ school
ɔyɛ bɛrima a ɔyɛ
wabɔn wankɔ school woyɛ ɔbaa a wakɔ school
okay
sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a efie ɔno nso ebɛtumi akyerɛ wo nneɛma bi a sɛ wankɔ school koraa mpo a wobɛtumi ahu no general yɛfrɛ no general knowledge a wo ɔbɛrima no wobɛtumi asua but sɛ wo sister wankɔ school wo kɔkɔfo ɔbaa nso a wankɔ school mo mmienu no sɛ mote hɔ na sɛ school adeɛ bi ba a wɔn na bɛkyerɛ ne nyɔnko
nti wo prefer dɛn
me prefer ɔbaa a wakɔ school ɔbaa a wakɔ school a ɔyɛ awuraba a sɛbi wasua adeɛ ɛkyɛn me a mene ne wɔ fie na sɛ ebia bibi ɛbɛtɔ hɔ sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ yɛhyɛ adeɛ koraa ɔno ɛsiane sɛ wakɔ school wo nimdeɛ kyɛn me nti sɛ mente asɛm na sɛ kɔsi baabi ɔno tumi kyerɛkyerɛ me mu mmɔ ɛma me nso m'adwene metumi sua adeɛ ma me nso metumi ma m'adwene etumi kɔ nneɛma bi so a ebi koraa m'adwene ni so because menkɔ school nti etumi deɛ na wobusa me a metwi so ɔbaa a wakɔ school
okay gada
You cut your coat according to your size. Wo bɛrima no wohwɛ o status sɛ wonim deɛ level wɔ hefa na wode afa ɔbaa a wopɛ sɛ wone no bɔ bra. Sɛ wofele sɛ you are already made and you need ɔbaa in terms of education ɔbɛboa wo a because yɛwɔ bɛrima bebree a ɔmo nim deɛ no hyɛ da nkɔ anim because of in terms of education but ɛma no wɔ hɔnom in terms of
paperwork ne ntotoyɛ bi ne sometimes brɔfo bi koraa
yes and I feel say uma oba take saa decision no kra with we no kra sometimes no kra ema relationship no ko you because man no chance to express yourself and to also bring on board the knowledge the ideas
nti wo no
yeah
opɛ deɛ he
meko oba ni nim deɛ wɔ eni
deɛ wa benkyɛn
ne wa benkyɛn na
okay
na duane nyɛ dɛ
there be sa ema no kra no omtimi sua recipe bi mu ne ade kra ma omo banua se omo ayatete
na bɔbɔ deɛ obetumi ahwɛ bɔɔd na but ne bɔnko ɛde to na bɔ
nti wo no from get and me ba also Who deny?
Nah. David Dahan is so they got a car. And then Kalanum go school. One go school, but what you buy it. Now about to go school back. However, man, homework bear for 3. Homework no some of the bar. One we are all parents, no child is already all work near the brown, and homework. And the more a banner bear money now, be a team sub of fun homework. Maybe your coach now don't call no just 0 or just 2 over 10 or just 2 over 10. Colano carried and this said there, who's kind of who knew yet. Now, over 5 years, what could you a banner say, Colano school, whom will bet me a dear train and Catakin can bet me. And makes a lot of sense.
Into 2 Sunni and Quota.
The school shut down corner in the media. And the school shut down corner in the media. The poor bar. Who judge than us?
In terms of what?
There are no education, said that's an what.
And then as long as I don't your affair. What be your me and found? When him Yanso and found.
Oh, yeah. So, one found one fool.
Into the other cell, Bano. What school on school? Sir, or when you move at here.
I said, we are fair. Aha.
Now we're open-minded.
Open-minded.
Debbie, what do you find?
Education open-minded.
So when you open-minded, I want your phone. And yes, when you open-minded, I want your fair. I hear you may want your fair. I mean, sister B. And not cat and a person yet, and a wing yet, and a saying yet, and a saying yet. The young answer, I've been what that's mission at Debbie tell me over JSS3 or JSS1. That's moon answer why I grow. Me name the air and then you be. Now you move be enough for something say or you make up near 2 team. Shall I want to say?
Don't want me.
To one open minded the culinary as one I want you. I didn't how you ever want you but one.
It is a bar no Diana pet, me up so ye packing kindness and
Open minded.
Nana first was saying one fair. After the open minded.
Some say so only open minded. I hope to me.
I want to me. Your lady. What is your position?
I know another cluster kind. Numerous. Or see or baby or Nana Jason. Because the numerous are not there.
I say what you would be.
That's what you would be. Who you
speak my English.
Who you speak broad. Nina or media. Can choose this angle say or bow or broad mind nibi. Dear, not dream of.
I don't like speak my English for me.
Nana, I choose that angle say. If I am man dear, can I choose or bow or broad minded nibi. Dear, not dream of be. Near school kwa. Mishia de wako school amepe. When I meet someone went to school there, I will like. But I will meet business partner, businessmen who can manage my daughters and my home there. That person, so I will choose.
Let's say when you go school afa, the obet me afa
they are not doing muda onye school nko numerous na da costa car you know. They are not doing more business.
They are not doing what they can about funny saying.
Numerous. Why you are laughing?
They are not doing what be no. What's your kind of funny saying?
Me dear, I'll choose numerous one. There.
Broad-minded.
Broad-minded. I will choose the broad-minded.
Numerous broad-minded.
Numerous broad-minded.
Numerous.
Now, to me, for to say or course school for no.
When you was from away, it's just by the way. It's just by the way. Hey. You say you choose what?
Numerous
person.
Numerous broad mind.
Oh, Kashamano. I'll choose.
Numerous.
Entiabna, because I catch a gun of what say. Since where I shall say, or be able to me a baby. It's not say, ye ben 1 year and be to so a recipe beer, a take about 20 minutes beer, also bet to me dear, but wow, sir, young common no, a hat or be at me channel, your bear betcha.
Hello, my fans, my people. This season is different one cry. My sister, if you sell plantain or tomatoes or pepper, you can come. It's not about stars at all. If you have mind, you can talk, you can analyze situation for us. Come. We are waiting for me, Abrakwabna. Me, I can speak some, and you come. We are waiting for you guys. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Come. We are waiting for you.
And now when they just by the way, but me the imagine China come the besi actually said. And nessa de me dina hai pa no. Se me obia enka me mahyase no, me fa me suku ye ana say me nyamoa bebre a. Ah, me sa wonim dia me we ya, kan wo suku ne ka me nim de ho a, enka me pepa. Even though somebody might think say oh Nana de odi sa road school ye de. Man to me enya school no, enti na me amadwena na mo abedru so I can imagine say me ko school mpo kakra bi de kan ho e ma degree ma komienu bi wo ma brabo mo a enka me nim de matumi aye den e de aye account. So right now it is very important that you take your education very serious. No matter your plans for the future, you must take your education serious. Your parents, you making sure say you be my man education na etumi aboa wo. 2026 na e wo mu no. Men ka se school nya den enya hwe. Men ka se school hu hia. No, school hu hia. Uko no na wo find yourself. Because your course school no o set me den enwene ade. Your course school no set me bonyom ebibia. Enti we nya de bra backyard kitchen. Yes, I told Safra said the enuane ka say. Ya beton Safra enuanum ni adofo ntemre o ma na waba uton bibia na enyina ye gina as long as I contradict rules and regulations that we will help you sell it. God bless you all. Tell somebody to watch McBrown's Kitchen and also watch Backyard Kitchen because it's on the same YouTube page that we are showing this Backyard Kitchen. Thank you so much. And also, please, these are my social media pages. Without these pages, do not communicate or chat or be vulnerable because most of the pages now, so this is my Snapchat, my Instagram, my TikTok personal, and also official of I Am Mama McBrown GH, which is for production. Season na did bring me emotion, but one of the major things I did said recipe na and try be with you. Also a recipe beer, DM us on our official page. Official I Am Ama McBrown GH. Now we will respond to you if you want to be here. Thank you guys. Thank you. See you again.
Later.